Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android phone through Settings. Second, install SCRCPY or Droid Cam on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux PC. Third, choose a wired USB connection for lowest latency or Wi-Fi for convenience. Fourth, connect the phone to the PC and accept the debugging prompt on the phone. Fifth, set the phone display to 1920x 1080 and target 30 FPS for smooth video capture. Open OBS Studio and create a new scene for your Android feed. Next, click Add and choose Video Capture Device or NDI source if using NDI. Then select SCRCPY, Droid Cam, or the virtual camera device provided by your app. If using Wi-Fi streaming, enter the phone IP such as 192, 168, 150 and port 8080 in the source settings. Finally, set the OBS canvas to 1920x 1080 and the FPS to 30 for consistent output quality. To minimize lag, use a USB 3.0 cable and choose wired mode whenever possible. Next, enable high-performance mode on your PC and close background apps that use CPU or GPU. Then adjust OBS encoder bitrate to 4000 kbps for balanced quality and reduced bandwidth. For audio, add an audio input capture and select the phone microphone or a headset mic for clarity. Finally, lock orientation on your phone and test a short recording before going live or starting a long stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.